So let's go. So it's right now it's 6/35, almost 10. Finger crossed. And 5:29 in the morning. So let's get into it. So right now we have is that a compound inequality? I, no, that's a simple inequality. How do they call them? I will check it out because it's not really important. Is it important? It's not really important for the test as long as you know how to solve it. But I'm kind of like one of the weird guy, those weird guy, actually like trying to find out everything and try like to have answers for every single thing. But I will check it out once I'll be done. But not right now. So we have an inequality, right? And right now they tell us to first of all graph the solution set. To graph it, we actually need to solve it first, and then write it into interval notation. That's pretty simple. So how are we gonna do that? I do know just because we have kind of like the fraction in the middle that can actually make some people afraid and make some people like quit the exam literally just because it's fraction. They're like, oh, it's in fraction. I'm just um how do you say that again? I forgot. Jesus, I ended up. But like okay, so you guys don't need to be afraid of the fraction because it's pretty much like easy to get rid of. And don't forget that the thing that we're trying to get in the middle is 1, or maybe the term by itself. In order to get the term by itself, so we just like multiply it by the denominator so that we can cancel it out. The same thing on the top, the same thing at the bottom. You cancel it out, and then you will just have the term by itself. But if you do that, they will be multiplying a term by the middle section. So you also have to do that for the right side and the left side too. So it's gonna be 6, obviously, because we'll want to cancel it using 6, like 1 at the top, 1 at the bottom. So it's gonna be Jesus Christ. So it's gonna be -1 by 6. Keep the sign. 6 by a over 6. Keep the same sign. 6, not 6. It was 1. 1. Jesus Christ. What is that doing? 1. It's gonna be 1. Oh. 1 by. Oh no, I really don't know right now. That's a sign for me to go to bed. 1 by 6. Did I get it right? So it's -1. Yeah, I did get it right. So that's the way that you're gonna use in order to get the middle by itself, so that you can solve the whole thing and graph it too at the same time. So it's like a win-win-win. So if you see the fraction, just multiply the fraction each side, which is the first side, the middle side, and the last side if you have it, or each section of the inequality by the same number, so that you can preserve the inequality value or something. It's not value, but it's pretty much like what it is, because if you don't do that, you just like messed up the whole thing. So that's why we need to multiply section by the numbers that you actually use. So we're gonna solve it. So it's gonna be -6. So we're gonna have 6 over 6a over 6. So I'm gonna do it step by step. I do know you don't have to do it like this way, but I just want to do it step by step so that you guys get comfortable with doing it and actually see what I'm doing. And 1 by 6 is over 56. So right now we're gonna go over it again by doing -6. We're gonna cancel the 6, so we only have a and 6. So this is our final solution. So that's the way that you're gonna say it. So graph the solution set and write the solution set in interval notation. So we do have the solution. We still can't get any grades yet because they ask us to do 2 things, but we still didn't do anything. We did do something, right? But it's not like they're gonna give us like any grade for that, because that's not actually what they're looking for, that what they're asking for. But even though we had to do that so that we can get to the point, so that's still not what we have to do. So it's really good, actually, to get the solution, but you actually need to do the thing that they taught you to do, which is um right into implementation, and then in solution set. Not solution set. Graphic and writing the solution set. Oh yeah. So it's graphic and implementation. So that's the first step. My bad. Y'all did graphic. So yeah, you did graphic like that. So yeah. We're gonna graph it right now. So you have the zero in the middle, negative infinity, and positive infinity, so that you know where you are on the line. So we're gonna start by the -6. -6 will be all the way up there on the negative side, and +6 will be on the positive side, which is on the right. And there you have it. So you will actually put the brackets parentheses so that you can actually make it work. So we already know -6 is not equal to anything. -6 will be included, so -6. We use parentheses for -6. So where will the parentheses go? It will go toward the positive numbers, because those are the numbers that actually make the inequality be true. Verify the inequality. So those are the numbers that we're gonna use. So parentheses and go towards the positive numbers. And we have the a greater than or equal to 6. So we're gonna use those positive numbers, because those positive numbers are the numbers that verify the inequality. But we do have 6. We have 6. How do they say that again? Not less than. Yeah, 6 less than or equal to 6. 8 less than or equal to 6. So we're gonna use the brackets, but brackets are gonna go toward the negative infinity, because the value which goes towards negative infinity, or the values that verify the inequality, make the inequality true. So we're gonna use the bracket because it's included, and this is our solution set. So we're gonna write it using in interval notation. To write it in interval notation, you just copy and paste the graph. So you don't care about anything else. So you just care about this section. So we're gonna use the same structure that we have, which is parentheses, -6, 6, and you close it. So this is the solution number 2. So we have the problem. They told us to graph the solution set. That's what we did. We graphed the solution set, but before graphing it, so we actually need to solve it. And to solve it, we did all that. And then we already the solution set in interval notation, which is this notation. Easy peasy. So I hope that was really clear. So right now we're gonna get into the other one, which is 7. So it's gonna be like 7/35, and it's 437. See y'all.